In this video, we will show the best soundbars for LED TV available to buy. At number 10. IBELL Sound Bar. The sound bar comes with 60 watts RMS and bass. The sound output feels thrilling bass provided by the 60 watts 2.75 two-nose speakers. At number 9. Creative Stage Air Compact Soundbar. Under monitor soundbar for computer designed to fit perfectly under your computer monitor. The low-profile speaker is powered by USB that goes into your monitor with a built-in USB hub for a clutter-free desktop setup. At number 8. Instaplay Wireless Bluetooth Soundbar. It has an integrated 2.0 channel output of 10 watt which offers you one of the best sound qualities in its range. 3.5mm aux cable to connect with or without Bluetooth. At number 7. JBL Bar Studio Wireless Soundbar. It provides stellar sound for your favorite TV series, movies, and music. It is slim, incomparably designed and extremely easy to use. At number 6. Portronics Sound Slick Wireless Sound Bar. It offers 40 W of stereo sound that makes you truly feel the thump of your music. Easy to operate, change volume, change mode, pause, play and much more with a remote control. At number 5. Blaupunkt Wired Dolby Soundbar with Subwoofer. The great elegant looking wooden subwoofer for crystal clear sound and pure bass. Dolby no doubt is the technology needed to create theater experience at your home. At number 4. Portronics Wireless Soundbar with FM Tuner. This soundbar comes with 10W powerful speaker for fantastic sound quality. It has a 2500 mAh lithium-ion battery provide you playtime more than 7 hours. At number 3. Blaupunkt Wired Soundbar. Its sleek European design will match the style and elegance effortlessly to the ambiance of your room. Cinematic surround sound. Feel the 3D sound cinematic experience around you with SBW100. At number 2. Kevin Ready LED TV with Inbuilt Soundbar. The 24 inches HD Ready Kevin D LED television with 0.A+ grade panel. Resolution is 1366 by 768 pixels. Eco Vision, Power Audio. At number 1. F&D E200 Soundbar Speaker System. The F&D E200 Soundbar has a 2.0 channel output which offers you one of the best sound qualities in its range.